So today we'll unbox the Bellabox May subscription box. We got new packaging. This one, the paper one, that's what I mean. And here are the products. Mostly skincare. Nothing exciting in my eyes. Oh, I got one makeup here. Eyeliner from Maybelline. Look at that. Looks like a pen. I love the packaging. I got a new eyeliner. I'm not really an eyeliner girl. I rarely use an eyeliner, but maybe now that I have it, I can use eyeliner more often. It's like a fountain pen. It's a matte velvety texture. I love the packaging. This one is called Hyper Sharp Ink Eyeliner. Looks hyper sharp indeed. And then next, I got a D-Smile sample size toothpaste. And then the Cica, Retinol Cica. I wonder why I got this one though. It's not in the sneak peek for this month. But I got this in my previous box. This is a good serum. And I love the packaging of their sample. Next is Avene face cream. I got a lot of sample size Avene. I finished them all. I like this brand. Very cute. I think that's only 5 ml. And then bio oil. I'm glad I got the bio oil. I think all members got the bio oil. This is sample size as well. 25 ml. Skincare oil. It says it's for stretch mark and scars. Nice. And next is, oh, that's all. I got here the voucher from Salty Crush clothing brand. $20 voucher. And then this is their bonus product for this month. Chlorine shampoo sachet. There. And I noticed I got another one. Yeah, so I got 2 of the bonus products. And then the rest are just vouchers as well. I got a bunch of these already from Bellabox that I haven't even used. Okay, I'm quite sad I didn't get the sample perfume this month. But that's fine. I got the bio oil.